Welcome. If you've ever scheduled an email in the Gmail app and then changed your mind about sending it, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel a scheduled email using the Gmail app, step by step. It's quick, easy, and updated for the latest version of Gmail. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where the scheduled email is saved. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the screen, and tap on it. After opening the menu, scroll through the options until you find Scheduled. This is where all your upcoming emails that you've set to send later are stored. Tap Scheduled to view a list of those emails. Now, find the particular scheduled email you want to cancel. Tap on that email to open it fully. You'll see the content of the message along with the scheduled send time. Once you have the email open, look for the option that says Cancel Send. Tap on it, and the scheduled email will be pulled back from the sending queue. It will now appear in your drafts folder so you can edit it, reschedule it, or delete it entirely if you like. That's it. Canceling a scheduled email in the Gmail app is really straightforward. Whether you want to fix a mistake, change the message, or simply decide not to send it at all, this method saves you from any sending mishaps. Remember, the scheduled folder is your go-to place for managing emails you've lined up to send later. So next time you want to cancel or adjust any scheduled message, just follow these simple steps. Open Gmail, tap the menu, go to Scheduled, select your email, and hit Cancel Send. Thanks for watching.